Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 25th of November. And first of all, national news. Delhi's Jama Masjid withdrew ban on girls' entry on Lieutenant Governor's request, a report said. Investigation begin in AIM's Delhi server hack, police sources said. Delhi's the Ashok Hotel worth 7,400 crore under centre's monetization plan, a report said. Concentrated global push of millets needed amid Ukraine war, S. JAISHANKAR. Akhilesh Yadav on Thursday indicated that he may contest the 2024 parliamentary elections from Kannauj. Improvement in Jammu and Kashmir in last 2 to 3 years, ex-deputy chief minister. Waqf board to introduce NCERT syllabus dress code in Uttarakhand madrasas. Air India's new grooming rules include shave head for receding hairline. Only around 7 lakh Jammu and Kashmir's final voter list to counter non-local fear. And now international news. Russia knocks out the power keeping millions of Ukrainians warm. Brazil court rejected ex-president Bolsonaro's bid to challenge election result. Russia declared terror state by EU lawmakers batters Ukraine grid. US Supreme Court allowed lawmakers to access Donald Trump's tax returns. We are open for business. CIA aims to recruit spies among Russians opposed to Ukraine war. Pakistan's new army chief is Lieutenant General ASIM MUNIR. Foreign powers fallacious narratives. Iran minister on protest. Russia-Ukraine met in UAE to discuss prisoner swap, a report said. Over 6 million in COVID lockdown in China's iPhone city after clashes. Nuclear plants reconnected to electricity grids after Russian strikes, Ukraine. Not a single strike was made. Russia denies striking Ukraine's capital, Kyiv. Now, news related to business. G7's oil price cap sanctions to have little impact on Russian revenue. US Federal Reserve signals slowing pace in policy rate hikes. Antitrust watchdog to oversee GST profiteering complaints from December 1. Andaman gets set to host G20 presidency meeting. Recession unlikely in Asia Pacific region in 2023, a report said. Data lags revision make monetary policies task challenging, RBI Deputy Governor. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank pick up stake in Indian Oil's joint venture refinery. India's growth projected to decline to 5.9% in 2023, our report said. Sensex Nifty surged over 1% to close at a new record high. Now, news related to sports. Team India's Mission World Cup 2023 begins with New Zealand series. Ex-India Under-19 World Cup winner to play in Bangladesh Premier League, first Indian to do so. Croatia pounds on Rafael Nadal, Carlos Alcaraz absence as Spain crash in Davis Cup. World Team Chess Championship, India edges out France, entered semi-final. Croatia beats Spain to enter Davis Cup semi-finals. FIFA World Cup 2022, no excuses for defeat but have faith in us, says Lionel Messi. Now, news from science and technology. ISRO's RH-200 sounding rocket registered 200th consecutive successful launch. The European Space Agency names 5 new astronauts, Paralympian John McFall to join Para-Astronaut program. And it's all in news. Thank you.